How you doing, YouTube? Happy Sunday. Southpaw Pete here. What I've got today is the Left Hand Loki's 1,000 subscriber giveaway challenge. And what he's asked us to do is to rake a lock, bypass a lock, and single pin pick a lock. So I've chosen an Abus, a US General, and a Master. I'm using a Sparrows Bogota, Covert Instrument American 1100 bypass, and a Jimmy Long's short or round hook. What we got here too is I took my Jimmy Longs and put them in an old case and took his sticker and put a little tape over it just so I know these are my longs. Anyway, let's get to picking. First off, we'll rake the Abus 5540 triple peak Sparrows. Done, son. Okay, that's one in the bag. Raking done. US General, let's do a bypass on this bad boy. Straight in. Get to the actuator. Oh. Straight in. That's that one. Heavy. And now the single pin pick of this Master. Bottom of the keyway and my Jimmy Longs. Try pin 1, pin 2, pin 3. Left Hand Loki, over 1,000 subs, pushing like 1,400 now, dude. That's sick, rock and roll. And did a screenshot. Left Hand Loki, man, rock and roll.